is my father. Hi! We're gonna make my grandmother's potato salad recipe. It's an Italian twist on potato salad. Very simple, just basic potatoes, oil, water, and salt.
Oy vey.
Now, this is your mother's recipe?
Yes.
Okay, and she used to make it a lot for you when you were young?
Yes.
Did you eat it with bread? Like
Bread.
How did you eat it? Yeah.
Dump the bread in there, on the side. It was just delicious.
I'm excited because they're going to use tomatoes.
And tomatoes. Potatoes, salt, oil, Italian oil from Italy, from the cousins, the good stuff, and a little bit of water. And that's it. So, anyway, the first step is to boil the potatoes, right? We're going to boil the potatoes. With the skin on or the skin off? Skin on. Skin on. Then we're going to peel the potatoes after they boil. Bella. We're back to make the potatoes. We've got these hot potatoes. How do we have hot potatoes? How do we peel hot potatoes? With your hands. Oh, look at this. They'll come right off. You don't need them hot. You can put them in the refrigerator. That'd be cool. I'll watch and I'll drink while you're doing that. Very good. I'll peel the potatoes. Not to worry. Very good. Even though it's Father's Day.
Hi guys. I just eat. I don't peel.
Italians never cook with mayo.
Really? Ever?
Their three ingredients was salt, oil, and that's about it. And when you go to Italy, they don't put anything else on. Well, now they do.
And you don't put cheese in it?
No cheese.
No cheese?
They're called patana salads. So that means salty potatoes. Very light.
Like that?
That's it.
Okay.
Just like that.
That's how they have a thing called smashed potato,
Just
which
like
is very
that.
popular.
And then
You
you
put it
take
in
the
the oven.
tomato and you go like this here. That's it.
Wait, I gotta get the other ones.
Very rough smash.
So they're like chunks.
Yeah, don't make it like what do you call it? It's not like a mashed potatoes. Not mashed potatoes. Bene, molto bene.
Oh, molto bene. Let me show.
Well, it's not finished yet.
No, but I gotta show them what we did so far,
Oh.
so they can see it.
These are cherry tomatoes, and we're just cutting them up and just squeezing them in there. Like this. There we go. Throw that in there. Chin chin.
Cheers.
Silver Oak 2013. The good stuff. It's Father's Day. Molto bene. Well, I'm worried about my shirt. Oh, okay. Gotta get your hands in this.
Can you tell the people on YouTube what year you came?
I went to Canada first. I was
How
6
old?
years old. 1951. I came from Italy, went to Canada for 4 years. And
Do you
then from
remember living in Canada?
Yes, I do.
You liked it?
It was very nice. We did a lot of things in Canada. I enjoyed Canada. And I was there for about 4 years. And then we came to America.
And what was it like when you came to America? Were you like,
Very
oh my
strange.
God.
You know, you it's a different country, so you're strange. You're like an alien. But I had a lot of family.
And where did your family live already?
We lived all over. My father didn't have a house, so my sister lived with my aunt.
Yeah, but where did they live? What part of America?
Corona.
Corona and Queens. That's
Corona and Queens. Corona,
Right.
Bayside.
Bayside's also in Queens. So basically Queens.
We was a little bit spread out. Me, my mother, my father. I think my brother Joey lived in an apartment upstairs with one room until my father bought a house.
And then you went to Whitestone.
And then we bought a house in Whitestone because my mother did not want to climb any more stairs. She wanted to get a ranch so she had no steps to go.
How much salt are you putting in? Just a pinch?
These are potatoes salads. So we got to put some salt in there. We don't have
Not big salt.
Barè salt. They
Which
don't
is
make
what?
it. Barè salt. I have got the faintest idea what it is. Now we have the oil from Italy.
Okay.
This is from our cousins in Puglia region. This is from Mimo Bartolomeo and Nicola Bartolomeo. Very nice people, by the way. If you ever go to Italy, look them up or don't tell them I sent you.
Tell the Jayne on YouTube sent you.
Don't say anything I sent them, you know. He has an olive grove
Right.
where he makes a lot of oil. He has, I think, maybe I'm not sure, maybe 300, 400 trees
Wow.
of olives, and he makes. We need a little water in here, a little hot water.
Now, how much olive oil did you put
Oh,
in?
no, you mix it up to taste, but not too much. You don't
No,
want to
because I
make
have to list the recipe.
it. You
so I
don't
wanna get
want to
it
make
right.
it too
Okay.
oily.
Okay.
You know, you look at it and you see, okay, there
Okay.
you go. My mother never measured anything. My mother, Italians don't measure. A little bit, così. Like this.
Yeah.
And you throw it.
How much what was that, like half a glass?
Not even. Just nice. You don't want to make it too mushy.
Okay.
See? It looks like it's perfect. We just might need a little more salt.
Now, did you use pepper yet or no?
No pepper.
No,
No pepper, no oregano, nothing else.
That's it, just
You
salt?
could put a little oregano in.
I know what I'm tasting. You're a little more salt.
I said that.
So it's 2 pepper pads. That goes
Well,
in.
it's called potatoes and salt. That's the flavor that they get is from the salt. And of course the oil, the good oil.
Everybody out there knows how I feel about the olive oil and how it has to be good olive oil.
Yeah.
This is the liquid gold.
The bill will come. As a matter of fact, Mimo, if you're listening, we running out of oil.
Please send 5 liters.
He
please.
says that in every
Yeah,
video.
yeah.
John goes, please, please. All these people on YouTube will be like, where do we contact this oil guy and get this oil?
Can't.
They look so colorful with the tomatoes.
This is the stuff. This has got my childhood in a bowl. My
Taste that?
grandmother would make this in the summertime and we would
I said,
have
don't mix
barbecues.
it too much. Don't make it
Okay, yes, I won't make a mush. Don't worry.
He used to say things to me.
Don't
You say
worry.
something, he then he'll talk. You know.
Good?
Just right.
Bravo.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
We'll do a little bit of oregano.
Oh, the tomato gave it a nice flavor. That's
All that
It's
stuff.
better when it's chilled.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. We'll put it in the fridge.
Bene.
Okay.
That's it.
Benvenuto. God bless you all.
Wait, one more time. You gotta stay still.
Everybody gotta stay still.
Wait a
Okay.
while. Okay.
Hold
on.
it. Now just smile.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share.